Good morning. It's Friday, January 2nd, 26. Still strange saying that, but here we are, day 53 of my 10,000 steps a day challenge to myself. 24 degrees, wind chill temp is 14, but not going to stop us. We're going to get this done. Let's go. A quick view just so you can see how gray and cloudy it is. At 10:45 a.m. It looks like it's, almost sunset time with things so dark and cloudy. Hopefully the sun arrives soon like it's supposed to. Let's get going. Down at Listman Landing at the lobster trap buoy tree, which is right next to the harbor there. Show you the harbor. There's the harbor. Let's keep going. Going by the Simon Lake Explorer submarine. You want to read about it? Pretty cool. Next to the U.S. Coast Guard Auxiliary Building. Downtown now at the Milford Duck Pond. It always looks so pretty. The waterfall's raging with all the precipitation and melting runoff we've had lately. But let's keep going. Some of the ducks in the duck pond. They're so cute. Day 53 of my 10,000 steps a day challenge to myself complete. 25,317. Look at that. And I'll show you my Nike Run Club app. This walk was 9.27 miles. So, great start to the year so far. And I love having a 4-day work week, so I'm off on Friday. And because of the holiday yesterday, get a 4-day weekend this week. So, I'll see you tomorrow on Saturday for day 54. Bye.